This walkway will take you to the synagogue at the end of the far end of the cemetery. And this wall here is made of tombstones that were destroyed on the other side. You can see one here, some Hebrew writing on it. Another one up there, Hebrew writing on it. So they destroyed anything on the other side of this wall where the street and houses are. It used to be part of the graves cemetery, and they destroyed them in the 60s and made housing and the park down below. And now everything is confined to this space here. This is a wall of memory, memorial for those who passed even before 1960s.